The online production portal will be the method given to production recipients to access their reports. The new online access allows you to fill out the reports online and send them directly to the district, or download the blank production reports to PDF files, fill them out, and send them by email or mail. A computer will be set up in the district office and available for the producer who needs assistance to access their reports to download or fill. Step 1. Log in on your web browser on your computer or iPad at report.northplainsgcd.org. This will also be accessible on our website northplainsgcd.org under Production Portal Access. This will take you to the online portal, sign in, and prompt you to enter your cell phone number. Key in your 10-digit cell phone number on file at the district, then press enter. It will send a 4-digit access code as a text message to your cell phone. If you get an error message, contact the district immediately to ensure the cell phone number you are using matches what is on file at the district. Type in the access code in the designated space and enter. This will take you to your online portal with only your reports listed. Step 2. Review your production reports. All of your production reports will be listed by GPU and name. Opening each report will reveal all flow meters we show you have associated with that property. The status to start will show online awaiting in the upper right-hand corner. Report any discrepancies to the district. Once we update, the correction will show up on your report when you log back into your portal. Step 3. Enter meter readings. Enter all flow meter readings and alternative metering for each report. If you only have a portion of this information, you can save the document for later. If you have a meter that is double reporting water, but you are required to turn in the meter reading, you have the option to click the Ignore button. Select Ignore for all meters that should not be included in the total. Save the report. The status will change to In Progress. Step 4. Upload your service or utility provider's documents, bills or reports. This step is for report recipients who are required to provide supporting documents from PivotTrack, electric usage, or gas usage. Note, you must enter the readings before uploading the corresponding supporting documents. Step 5. Report any meter changes by adding or removing meters. If you find a missing meter, a meter that no longer exists on the report, or a meter that was replaced, go to the top of the report, select Meter Change Request, and select Meter Status from the drop-down. Follow the steps for meter information. All spaces must be filled out to accept the change. Submit the change. Your status should now be Change Requested. This will prompt district staff to make the change in the meter. Once the meter is set up, district staff will change the status to In Progress, and you will get an email notification. You should now see the meter updates on the production report. Step 6. Submit report. You can submit the report once all entries are made and the required documents are uploaded. It should change the status to Submitted or notify you of what info is missing. If the district finds issues with your documentation, you will receive an email stating what issues we have found on your report. Step 7. The report is finalized by the district. Once the report is finalized, the status will change to Approved on your portal. You can download a completed report for your records after submitting. At the top of each report is a Download Production Report option. Click on that and it will open on the Template option. Click on the down arrow, select Online Completed Report and submit. Step 8. For those report recipients who choose not to file online, they can download a blank production report. Complete the following steps. At the top of each report is a Download Production Report option. Click on that and it will open on the Template option. Click on the down arrow, select Blank Production Report and submit. A PDF of your blank production report will be available to print. Fill out the blank report sign, attach any required documentation and email to productionreporting@northplainsgcd.org. If you have any questions, district staff are happy to assist you. Call 806-935-6401 during normal business hours. Thank you.